Dear students, today in this session we are going to see the continuation of decoders. Last session we had seen about decoders, and today it is an extended part of last session. First of all, a bit of information regarding LEDs. An LED, light emitting diode, emits radiation when it is in forward biased condition. It's a diode which emits radiation when it is in forward biased state. Why is it so? Because free electrons recombine with holes near the junction, and the energy of free electrons getting reduced, and it will liberate energy in the form of heat and light. So at the junction of the LED, the free electrons recombine with holes and its energy will be reduced, and this energy will be liberated in the form of heat and light. Remember, this light is depending on the wavelength of the light emitting is depending on the nature of semiconductor material of the LED or the diode. And various semiconducting materials are there like gallium, arsenide, phosphorus, etc. And these each elements have its own peculiar band gaps, and it will emit particular color or particular wavelength of radiation. And there are many applications for LEDs. You all know various applications of LEDs ranging from testing instruments, displays, etc. So many applications are there for LEDs. Dear students, you may wonder that why I am talking much about LEDs today. Because our topic is such displaying decoders, or decoders can be used for displaying digits. That's why I started with a bit of information of LED. You just have a fundamental idea of an LED. That's all. So let's see. Our topic is 7-segment decoders. Now you may got why I told you about LEDs, because here in the figure you can see a 7-segment indicator here in the form of 8. You can see here this is known as the 7-segment indicator, and on careful observation you could see that there are 7 LEDs. I labeled it as A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and all are in forward bias condition. Depending on the conditions of forward bias, not necessary that all are in forward bias, depending on the forward biasing condition, it will display the digits 0 to 9. When it is displaying 0 means the LED G is in reverse bias, all the others will be in forward bias. I hope you understood. Only during forward biasing, only the LEDs emit light. So to display 0, G will be in reverse bias, all the others will be forward biasing. And to display 5, which and all LEDs will be in forward bias condition A, F, G, C and D. All the others like E, B are in reverse bias. So that is, you had seen this 7-segment display many times, and these are 7 LEDs displaying. And how it is related with decoders, let's see further. So just 7-segment indicators, 7 LEDs. Depending on the forward biasing condition, it will display digits from 0 to 9. Now let's see the role of decoders here. Before going into that, this 7-segment indicator that I had shown in the last slide. This one, this here you can see 8. This one is the 7 segment indicator. So this indicator are of two types. One is common anode and second is common cathode. So these are the two types of 7 segment indicators. One is common anode type and the other is common cathode type. You could see here the 7 LEDs. The first diagram, it is common anode type. The 7 LEDs, 7 diodes, anode is common and is connected to the positive terminal of battery plus VCC. Okay, the ground, the negative terminal is separately taken out to display the digits. So in the case of common cathode type, you could see that is the second figure. The negative terminal of the battery is common and is connected to ground. So these are the two types of 7 segment indicator. So these two ways it can be connected. Common anode type and common cathode type. These are the two ways in which 7 segment indicator can be connected. So here comes the role of decoders. So here you could see, you look carefully this diagram. This is IC 7446. You could see here this IC is connected with the 7 segment indicator. Okay, you may understand a bit now, but I will explain. You just see the diagram and understand the diagram properly. Here you can see the IC 7446, which is a decoder IC and is connected to the common anode type 7 segment indicator. Got the point? So what is the role of decoder here? This IC 7446 decoder drives this indicator. Got the point? This IC drives this common anode type indicator. So not derives, it is drives. So in other words, we can say this IC 7446 is a 7 segment decoder driver IC. It drives the common anode type 7 segment indicator. And on looking onto the diagram, you can see that at each terminals between each LED's negative and the ground, you could see a resistor. An external resistors are connected, and these resistors are known as current limiting resistor, which limits the current flow into the 7 segment indicator. It limits the current flow. So how much current can be flowed to the maximum flow to the 7 segment indicator? It can be up to 50 milliamperes. So that is limiting by this external resistors. And this is a common picture of this common explanation of this diagram. That is, the diagram consists of two parts. One IC 7446, which is the decoder driver. It drives the second part, that is the 7 segment indicator, which is in common anode mode. And peculiarity is there is an external current limiting resistor connected between each LED and the ground. And looking on to the IC, here IC has got 4 inputs, and this four inputs are the BCD input. Last class we had learned the input BCD to decimal converter. Actually this is BCD to decimal converter, this IC is. So this ABCD is the control signals, which is the BCD input, and the 7 outputs are from A to G. These are the 7 outputs that here you can see here. These are the 7 output pins. Okay. And what is really happening? The logic inside or the logic circuit inside this IC converts the BCD input to the required output. For example, if BCD is, for example, we consider BCD is 0, 1, 1, 1. The internal logic of 7446 will force the LEDs. What will be the output? 0, 1, 1, 1 means 7. So this internal logic of this IC will force the LEDs A, B, C to conduct, and 7 will appear on the indicator. To display 7, which and all LEDs should work? A, B, C. Okay, so that is, if BCD is 0, 1, 1, 1, the internal logic of IC will force the LEDs A, B, C to conduct, and it will display 7 on the indicator. So there will be a display of 7. Got the point? So that is, this IC is actually driving this 7 segment indicator, or this IC is telling which and all diode should be in the forward condition. If you think another BCD, you could understand much more. Likewise, that we had discussed in the last session. So this is all about 7-segment decoder driver in common anode type. And coming to the common cathode type, which is the IC7448. You could see here also again 2 parts: IC, which is the decoder driver, which is driving the common cathode type 7-segment indicator. And here you can see that there is no external current limiting resistor is connected here in between the outputs. Why? Because inside the IC itself there are limiting resistors. In the case of 7448, no external current limiting resistor is thus required. Okay, you look on to the diagram. IC and the 7-segment indicator. It's very easy, the 2 parts. So again, here again, the same thing for 7446 that we discussed in the last slide. Here also 4 input pins are there, which are the control signals, that is the BCD input. 7 output pins are there, that is connected to A to G. These are the LEDs. And the conditions or the logic inside this IC is telling that which and all ICs should be, which and all diodes should be in the forward condition, and accordingly it will display the digits. Got the point? For example, if the BCD is 0, 1, 0, 0, the internal logic, this is the decoder IC, so it will decode it into number, it will decode or give the signal that what and all ICs should be, what and all diodes should be forward biased, B, C, F and G, because 0, 1, 0, 0 means it is displaying 4. Okay, so in order to display 4, what and all ICs, which and all diodes should be in the forward bias condition? F, G, B and C. Got the point? And it will conduct and 4 will be appear on the indicator. The same procedure that we had discussed in the last slide. parts are IC and the 7 segment indicator. Here the IC is 7448, which is the driver driving the common cathode type 7 segment indicator. I hope you understood, and today in this session we had seen an extended version of decoder. Many a times you had seen the 7 segment display, but you won't maybe think about such a decoder is working behind this display. Yes, of course, IC 7446 and 7448 are the ICs working behind this indicator. This IC is, the logic of the IC is telling which on all diodes should be in the forward bias condition and giving them the commands to display 0 to 9 digits. And I wish you a fruitful weekend. Stay safe and thank you all.